What's going on, everybody? I'm Jonathan Thompson. Welcome to another episode of Market Minutes Trading. Okay, so in case you've been living under a rock for the last hour, it's forgivable, but XRP has Ripple Labs has officially won the case against the SEC, contrary to what I thought was going to happen. So I admit that I was wrong. Humbly, I am currently in a trade right now. It's up about 472 on XRP. Bitcoin had a couple of really violent moves today as well. We can get into that. I do apologize for my voice. I am sicker than a dog right now. But, I mean, this news is too important to the crypto sector to not speak on it and at least show you guys what I'm looking at. So, right now, looking at XRP, man, it is really pushing. There's a bullish break of structure right there. Man, I'll break down the rest of the chart here in a second, guys, but I really need to manage this trade. I'm up 528 on the trade right now. We just broke this area here, the top of the Fibonacci, after getting supported on the golden pocket. My initial target right here is going to be at about 70 cents. And I think that we're probably going to get there very, very quickly. What I'm trying to prevent is a quick wick down to stop me out of the trade. I want to stay in this trade as long as possible. There's another bullish break of structure. We should start getting the push up to about 69.38 here in a little bit. I actually don't think it's completely outside of the realm of possible for XRP to go all the way to the top of the Fibonacci today. I mean, that's 88 cents, 90 cents, right in that range. Yeah, I think that is entirely possible, actually. I mean, this is big news. It's a really, really big deal because it's the first time XRP is the first crypto that has been officially deemed not a security by the Securities and Exchange Commission. I mean, it's a big deal. So, I mean, who knows what kind of market share XRP is now going to be open to, but man, are we getting one hell of a push right now. I'm up about 600 on this trade. I got my stop loss way down here. I am trying to stay in this one as long as possible, but I don't think I can justify leaving roughly $300 or $300 on the table, so I will go ahead and adjust the stop loss. I will put it just below this previous order block here. This little swing low. Hopefully I don't get wicked out. I think we should, if we break the little swing high here, which I think we're about to, or at least it looks like we're about to, any second, I expect a really violent move up to about 69.40, right around there. It's difficult to say where I want to drag my stop loss at that point, because I do expect it'll probably get smacked pretty hard at that Fibonacci level. I mean, clearly, pretty much everybody in crypto and the entire planet right now is paying attention to this exact chart. So, I mean, it's not outside the realm of possible to, man, this could even get really energetic on this push, and it could go up to 76, 75. I mean, who knows? It's anybody's guess. Right now, I'm just trying to stay in the trade as long as possible, doing my best to stay below the 9 exponential 1 minute moving average. So, I mean, I guess we'll see what happens, but as of right now, I'm up about 570 on the trade, 560 on the trade. I actually had a couple of other trades in and out of this earlier on the news, excuse me, down in this range, and so I'm up like 1,100 or 1,200 on the day as of right now, which could not have came at a better time. I mean, I've been having a rough month, man, real rough. So, I mean, this is nice. I'm trying to stay in this trade as long as possible because the ramifications of XRP not being officially a security are massive. I'm sure the XRP army is messaging everyone that said that, everyone that was hating on them. I'm sure I got some DMs that I haven't even seen yet, basically saying I told you so. Well, congratulations. I mean, I still have my doubts about XRP as a protocol. However, I'm not going to just stand here and not take a position against something that just had a major crypto milestone. I mean, it's historical. It is a historical moment for sure. That also means that there's now precedent for other crypto protocols to fight back against the SEC. Cardano, I would not be one bit surprised to see the SEC now. There's the bullish break of structure. We're gonna get the push up here any minute, man. Unless there's historical resistance that I haven't seen yet. Admittedly, I have not taken the time to look at previous areas of price interaction. So, my target of 70 cents is based solely on the Fibonacci here. I'm up 670 on the trade right now. I'm looking for that push. Looking for that big push. Very, very volatile. I want to stay in this trade as long as possible for two reasons. Number one, I want to make as much money on it as possible. Number two, it's difficult to get an entry that you're happy with. I mean, even the entry that I got here, I mean, I had to try probably 15 times to get an order filled until finally I had to reach really deep into the bear's order book because it was moving way too violently, just shifting up and down way too quick for me to, select a price and then, click on open short. That's a beautiful candle. Let's see if we can break 67. That's a nice 1 minute candle right there. Okay, we're almost at 700 on the trade, 706, there it is. So we need to break 67, so I definitely need to bring this up. So it's a nice trade. I'm going to go ahead and stick this right underneath this. 65, 61, so there's 67 getting broken, 69's on the table. So I'm up 785 on the trade. It's a big one. This would be the biggest single trade that I've had for the month of July, without question. Yeah, I actually had a zero allocation of XRP prior to today. So I went ahead and bought 10,439 of them. That's a nice push right there. I'm up 850 on the trade. There's 69. All right, I'm going to go ahead and lock in some of this. That's too much to leave. I'm definitely getting stopped, so, but I mean, that's a hell of a trade right there. It's about $700 or $800 on that trade. Hopefully it just, wow, did I just pick the most amazing stop ever? All right, let's see if we can get above that 69. That 1618 is going to be a bitch, guaranteed. But there's the target, there's the break. All right, so I'm looking for the pullback here. I'm up 960 on the trade right now. I'm going to leave my stop loss here until I can get continuation over 70. But we are tapping on that door. There's 70 right there. Boy, that's close. So we have actually hit 70 cents with an immediate pullback. So, I mean, there's no way I don't get stopped here. So when we hit 70, I was up about 1,000 on this trade. So this is a really, really big day for me. All right, let's get the continuation. That would be nice. I mean, everybody in the world is watching this chart right now, so, like, I really doubt. Wow, dude. Is 75 on the table here? Without a pullback? Wow, come on, man. Get over 70. If this gets over 70 and gets any kind of separation from 70, I mean, pretty much everything's on the table at that point. I'm up 970 on the trade, 975. It would be nice to bag 1,000 on this. It's crazy because, with XRP, normally, when you're trading at, I mean, you're lucky you get a 1 to 2 cent move. There's 70, push. I'm up 1,050 on the trade. All right, I'm going to lock some of this in right here underneath the 1618. So that's going to lock up about 980 or so. Not sure what the fees are going to be because it's going to be a trigger order that's going to trigger at a certain price, but I do have it dumping market. There's no way I'm in a volatile market like this that I'm going to allow a limit order sell, a limit order stop to go ahead and get blown right by. Man, that's 71 right there. We're almost there. Breaking 71, and I mean, everything's on the table. Man, we're only 30% away from $1. I'm up 1,100 on the trade, 1110. Man, man, we are only 30% a 30% move away from $1 at this point. The most local high was like $1.40 if I remember correctly, and I want to say that was back in 2019 or 2021. I'll have to double check the chart on that. 1200 right there. All right, so I'm actually going to move right here. So that's going to be about $1,000. Hoping to hold 71 here. Very energetic market. Very, very energetic. We're going to that 2618. This is nice. It's a big trade. Really, really big trade. I'm up 1,300 on it. That's beautiful right there. Push, push, push. RSI is just jacked. I mean, it's just all the way. It's honestly, I don't even think that's all of it. It's close. RSI is almost pegged at 100. It's almost there. It's at like 93 right now. Wow, that is one hell of a push. I'm up 1,500 on the trade. Let's go ahead, push. I'm not leaving that on the table. That's getting stopped. My stop loss is 73.70. I'm hoping 74 holds. It's just so volatile right now. There's no way I could, accurately predict a decent stop loss here. But I mean, this is violent. Hopefully we don't get a pullback here. I'd love to stay in it. I'm up. All right, so that's out. That's 1,400. Bang. That's the way we do it. Share my P&L? No, thanks. It's all right. I keep it to myself. That's just for the Market Menace militia. All right, guys. As I take new trades in and out, I will let you guys know. But that was one hell of a trade. So that's the way we get it done in the Market Menace militia. All right, guys. That's going to be it. Short video. All right. Take care. That was beautiful. I love it. Love it, love it, love it. Let's go.
1, 2,